So okay, we're gonna cook. What are we gonna cook? I don't do a lot of breakfast, but I'm gonna do a breakfast. Stopped at Aldi's. This is apple fritter breakfast bread. I have a pretty good idea something I want to do with this. Alright, so let's get going with it. So you may ask, is this going to be healthy? No, no, no. You may also ask, is this going to taste good? Yeah, I think so. Sometimes the two are mutually exclusive. Alright, so we got eggs. Alright, egg. Three eggs. That's enough. Inspect closely for shells, no shells. Moving along.
And yes, I know you really shouldn't break the egg in the bowl, but I didn't want to make a mess.
Alright. Little milk. Because I do eat cereal. It's not only oatmeal that I eat for breakfast. Usually it's just oatmeal, but every now and then. So we're getting closer. Now, I got the egg wash mixture all done. You could obviously doctor that up with cinnamon and all that kind of stuff. I'm not going to do that because I'm using this apple fritter bread, and I figure that's probably enough. Alright, I realized I don't have like a real bread knife with me, so we're going to use steak knife. This first piece I'm just going to eat. I want. We'll do 3. Alright, 3's enough.
Some people say I should share more stories here. I don't know why, most of them are boring, but I'll throw in a story for you, or two.
Alright, there's the Copper Chef pan. Now I don't do this a lot because it just requires a lot of cleanup. So we're going to do medium, low. It's probably a bad idea, but I'm going to... No, I'm not going to. I was going to put some... I can't believe it's not butter in there, but I don't think I'm going to do it. But I am going to try to let the pan get hot. Okay, I feel a little heat coming from there, and I don't win prizes for being patient. So into the egg wash goes the bread. Well, we got a little bit there.
So I don't eat a lot of breakfast, and there's a couple reasons for that. The first reason really is I can't eat when I first wake up. It takes me a couple hours before I can eat. Otherwise, I just don't feel right. So that's the main reason.
Alright. Again, it's not as hot as I would hope it to be. Turn it up to medium. And, yeah.
Another reason is I'm just too impatient. I'm like a little kid. If I want to do something, I want to do it, and I don't want to waste time having breakfast. So when I get ready and want to start the day, I want to start the day, and I'll eat later. When I was married, we used to travel with our parents a lot, and it used to drive me crazy. Like one trip we went to Hawaii, and we went to go to Maui just to do whale watching. And we got there early, and we were there for a day, and I'm excited, and I'm wanting to see the island before we get on the boat. And they're all excited, wanting to have breakfast, and I was losing my mind wasting the time. I'm the type that's like, grab a friggin' bagel and eat it in a car. Let's go see this place. But not everybody's like that.
Alright, let's see if we can flip. Alright. Smells really good. I got more work to do. Let that keep cooking. I brought bananas because they're good for you.
But I learned my lesson. When we went back a second time, we went to Kauai, and I'm like, I'll get the rental car, I'll pay for it. And I ended up renting 2 cars so that we could do what we wanted to do.
I probably shouldn't have put those bananas on like that.
But I get the same way when I'm RVing or when I'm camping. I say all the time, we're burning daylight.
Oh, yeah.
I don't want to sit here wasting my time with breakfast. Let's go do stuff. So I guess I can be irritating in that aspect.
Now it's coming along, huh? Warmed up the bananas, I'm gonna take them out.
So those two reasons make it kind of suck, because I actually really like breakfast. So I'm gonna start doing what I used to do a lot of, and that was breakfast for dinner. You get to eat breakfast.
Okay, I think we're good there. I'm gonna take these out, plate them up, and since I have some eggs left, can't let them go to waste. I'll scramble up the remaining eggs. See, we're not totally level. I have some blueberry syrup. I put the blueberry syrup on there. Whoa, that broke loose. Fork, and let's eat this. Flyover, dun 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 dun. Apple fritter French toast with bananas. All right, so that is pretty awesome. You see some weird bread like apple fritter bread? Give it a try. I'm really liking that. Okay, YouTubers, enjoy and have a great and wonderful day. Oh yeah, and I did cook and eat the rest of the eggs. Woo! Hot and good. Now, I didn't get the sriracha. I'm too busy. Awesomeness. Had to do another flyover. Now have a great and wonderful day.